To you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to continue from where I stopped in my last video. As you have known that in our last video, we've been able to discuss what category is all about, what search bar is all about, what dimension is all about. So today, we are going to be going straight into how you can start designing on Canva. So for you to design on Canva, you are going to be making use of this particular plus sign below. That is what you are going to be making use of anytime you want to design on Canva. So let's get started with it. You are going to be clicking on this particular plus sign now. Once you click on that plus sign, it's going to be asking you, do you want a social media post? It's going to be asking you. Or if you don't want a social media post, do you want this one, photo editing? If you don't want that one, it's going to ask you again, anyone that you want. Do you want to create videos? Do you want to create sheets, presentation, and lots more? So we are going to be dealing with the one that is going to be helping you more, which is going to be the social media page. Because one of the reasons why you are going to be learning this skill, or one of the reasons why you are learning this, is for you to be able to create some designs by yourself that you can actually post on your social media page. So we are going to be dealing with the social media part of it. So it's not going to be asking you, do you want to create for Instagram, or you want to create for Facebook, or you also want to create for other platforms like LinkedIn. So for this particular post, I'm going to be choosing Instagram. So for you to now start posting now, so we have different dimensions of posts that you can post. We have the one of Instagram post 4:5, and we have the one of square, we have the one of Instagram story, or we have the one of Instagram ad, and lot more. So what you want to create is what you are going to be designing. So for this reason, I'm going to be designing Instagram posts. So we are going to be clicking on this first one. This is the one you're going to be clicking on. If it is Facebook, you do the same. You choose the one you want to choose on Facebook, then you start creating immediately. So let's click on it. So now this is what it's going to be showing you. It's going to bring out a blank space for you in order for you to start your designing. But before then, you are going to notice that this is a blank space. There is nothing for you on this particular screen in order for you to know how to design on it. So that is why I need to take my time to explain everything for you one after the other, so that you can know the features of each and every one of the elements that are in this Canva. By default, it's going to bring out this particular template for you. Immediately you click on that particular one, which is 4.5. So you are going to scroll down because you are not going to be dealing with templates. I need to first explain each and every element for you so that you can know how to use them personally. Now, this is how the blank space is going to look like. Now, I'm going to be explaining each and every one of them for you for better understanding. So when you want to go back, probably you want to go back to the home page, this is the one you are going to click on. Once you click on it, it's going to take you back to the home page. So now, when you want to look at the redo, probably you make a mistake when you are designing. This particular arrow you are seeing here is the arrow for you to undo what you have done, and this one is for you to redo what you have deleted before in order for you to bring it back to normal. So that is that about that. So you can see this one here. This 3 dash that you are seeing here, it has a purpose, and I'm going to be telling you the function now. The function is for you to be able to do a lot of things, and I'm going to be showing you what you're going to be using it to do. So once you click on it, they are going to be asking you different questions. Probably you have made a design before with Instagram posts, and you want to change that design to square. So you can easily click on this resize. Once you click on this resize, it's going to resize your design for you. So if you want to view all pages, probably you want to work with 2 or 3 or 4 pages or 5 pages. So how do you get lot of pages? You remember what we clicked on? Let me show you what we clicked on. This particular 3 dot here, that's what we click on. So once you click on view all pages, you can be able to add more pages to your work, as you can see me doing here now. So you can add more pages. So anyone you want to work with, just click on it, tap on it 2 times, and it's going to take you back to that particular page. So now the next thing I want to show you before we proceed is to show you the function of this one. This one is used whenever you are done designing. Let's say you are working with one design or a lot of design, and you want to download everything at once. Immediately you click on this, it's going to download everything for you immediately. But if you want to export, now this is the one you are going to be clicking on if you want to export your work. So it's going to be asking you a lot of questions before you export it. Let's click on it to check. You see, it's going to ask you, do you want to download, do you want to share the link, or do you want to send it via email? So you are going to choose any one you want to do, as we have seen a lot of options that we have in there. So majorly you are going to be using it to download anytime you are done with your design. After you have known the function and the features of everything that is up here, so the next thing you now need to know how to use is this down part, which is the design, the elements, the text, the gallery, and lot more. So I need to explain all these features and all these elements for you one after the other, so that when you start designing on this your blank page, it's going to be easier for you. It's going to be easier for you to do, rather than you just taking one template and be editing it. If you are editing without understanding how to use all these features, it's going to be difficult. So that is why I want to take my time to explain each and every one of them for you, so that you can know the benefits of them. So let's assume this is the first one. You want a template. For those that don't want to design, you just want quick something, so you can easily click on this design down here. Once you click on this design down here, it's going to give you ready-made templates that a lot of people have created that you can easily use to do your own. You only need to customize it after you have seen them. So let me click on it. As you can see, we have lots of them that you can decide to use. So let's now assume the one you are looking for is not here. Let's say you are looking for something like cats. Just click on cat at the top search bar there and then search it. Once you search it, it's going to give you a lot of flyers that have cat. Just think of anything you want to create. That is what you are going to be searching in the search bar, and it's going to give you lots of templates that you can easily customize. But for the sake of this video, I'm not teaching you how to customize, because we don't really need it. We need the knowledge of how to design it from scratch. So I'm not going to be teaching you how to customize, but I'm just showing you this so that you can know, should in case you want to make practice on your own, you can easily get what you want to use to customize your design. So you can see the styles here. So we have a lot of styles here that you can actually use. I guess the network is bad presently, so let's continue. So now that you know what we use this design to do, then this is the other one called elements. Now this element is very, very important, and I don't want this video to be too much, so I'm going to be starting from elements in my next video and break down all the remaining things to explain, so that you can grab one or two things. If you have got one or two value from this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because in my next video I'm going to be breaking the next for you for better understanding. I am African Prince Harriet, and I'll see you in my next video.